past me in the hallway, and yet you say we'll never